In this video, we will start to explore how you can use the average function. And the average function basically just calculates the average of the total amount. So let's look here at our situation. We have here our values, and we can see here our products, the sold amount of items, the total being sold. Now we just remove these. And what we want to know now is here, we have here the price, and what we would like to extract is the average value of this. So how much is the average of this menu in total? So let's look and explore. So we type in here equal, and then we select, or we type in average, open parentheses, and what we have to do here now is to select all the values we want for the average. Once we did that, type in enter, and there you are. So now you have the average value here. And what will happen if, for example, we increase here the price to $100? You can see now the average has increased drastically. And this is the way how you can use the average function in Excel. So if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, post them down below in the comments.